Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
We have already done histogram, bar graph, and also the construction of frequency distribution table. Children, do you have? Is there anybody who has query in any of the 3 subtopics?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Can we all switch on your cameras?
Yes.
Now, we are going to start with a new type of graphical representation that is called pie chart. That is called pie chart. I will first just show you what do you mean by pie chart? What happens in pie chart? See, in pie chart, the data is represented in the form of circle. The data is represented in the form of circle. हम क्या करते हैं? What we do, we just convert all the frequencies into degrees. We convert all the frequencies.
एयर में मतलब वो सब एयर में चीजें कैसी हैं वो सब.
Who is this? Who is this?
मैम दिव्यांश.
हाँ, दोबारा बोलो बेटा, क्या बोल रहे हो? I'm not, it's not clear.
One example of pie chart.
एयर में कितनी ऑक्सीजन है कितनी
Yes,
नाइट्रोजन है.
yes, you must have seen that chart. Very good. You must have seen
Yes,
that
ma'am.
chart. Yes, where we divide the whole data.
मैम हम तो ऐसे ही रैंडम बना देते थे.
नहीं, randomly आपको सिखाएंगे ना, ठीक है? A circle graph shows the relationship between whole and its parts. जो total होता है उसको हम whole में करते हैं. Whole means 100%. और डिग्री की फॉर्म में वो होता है 360. सर्कल का आपको पता है एंगल एट द पॉइंट इज 360.
Yes, ma'am.
यहाँ पे आप दो when we will read, we will learn in 2 different ways. One will be percentage, one will be degree. एक क्वेश्चन परसेंटेज का करेंगे हम और एक क्वेश्चन डिग्री का करेंगे. Let's see. What we do is we divide all the values into sectors. Sectors mean the part of circle, and accordingly we will draw using the help of a compass, protractor, and a ruler. You will not find it difficult. The only problem is to calculate the degrees. Once you are able to calculate the degrees, you will be able to easily convert or present it on the form of on the paper. We don't need graph paper for it. We can do directly on plain sheet. So today I have planned for you. We will not construct circle graph. We are going to solve few questions. हम कुछ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे बेटा. ओके, रेफर योर बुक, ओपन योर बुक. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 और क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 करेंगे, जहाँ पे हमको रीडिंग ऑफ ग्राफ करना है. जहाँ पे हमको भी do रीडिंग ऑफ ग्राफ, रीडिंग ऑफ पाई चार्ट. Tanishq is coming now. Tanishq is coming. Tanishq has joined late. Tanishq, why
मैम कौन सी एक्सरसाइज निकालनी है?
5.2. Tanishq, you always come late. Tanishq, you always come late.
No, ma'am.
Yes. I have a record. Every day you join late. Tanishq, now mark your attendance. You join late. Now, Hamza, can you read question number 1?
हमें से रैंडम सर्कल बनाना है.
No need to draw. You don't need to draw. I am drawing for you. You have a question in the book. You just have to read the graph.
Which exercise?
Exercise 5.2.
5.2.
I am drawing for you. You have a graph on the book. In the book, you don't need to draw. The question is based on reading. I am just drawing for you. Let me just explain you the question. Hamza, can you read the question for me, beta? Hamza has left out.
May I read on it?
दिव्यांश रीड करो बेटा.
मैम एक सेकेंड.
बुक नहीं है ना. श्रेयस रीड करो.
पढ़िए मैं निकाल
Ma'am,
गया.
can I
रीड आउट.
question number 1 now?
यस.
A survey was made to find a type of music that a certain group of young people liked in a city. Adjoining pie chart shows the findings of this survey. From this pie chart, answer the following. If 20 people like classical music, how many young people were surveyed?
May I answer?
No answer. I have to explain first, then answer. First, understand this question. This pie chart का मतलब क्या है? I have to explain you first. What does this pie chart actually means? The pie chart means we don't know the number of people here. We don't know the number of people, and the number of people in total we assume as 100%. If there are 100% people, out of those 100%, 30% like folk, 10% like classical, 20% like semi-classical, and 40% like light music. Is the question clear?
Yes,
जितने भी
ma'am.
लोगों का
It
survey,
shows the relationship between the whole and its numbers.
yes, it shows the relationship between whole and its numbers. I'm again repeating, whatever is the number of people they have surveyed, out of those numbers, 10% of those people like classical, 20% like semi-classical, 40% like light music, and 30% like folk music. अब उन्होंने बोला है 20 people like classical music. इसका नंबर आपको दे दिया है कि 20 people like classical music. You have to find the total number of people they have surveyed. हमको ये नहीं मालूम है कितने लोगों को सर्वे किया है. Do you remember unitary method? Children, do you remember unitary method? Very good. Do you remember unitary method?
मैम पहले 1 का निकालते हैं सब में से, उसके बाद वो करते हैं.
We find for one, then we can
Divide
find for many. Question says, आपको क्या निकालना है यहाँ पे? What is to be found?
young people कितने
Young people
Total
surveyed.
number of young people.
Very good. Total number of people who were surveyed. कितने लोग थे जिनको हमने सर्वे किया? ठीक है? तो people निकालना है तो statement will be in such a form. If 10% is 20 people.
10% of X is 20 people.
1% is 20 upon 10. Say yes or no. 1% will be 20 upon 10. What is the total percentage I told you?
100%.
100%. So 100% will be 20 upon 10 into 100. It's a unitary method. So we can say there were 20 upon 100 into 100. So there were in total 200 people who were surveyed. In total, there were 200 people who were surveyed. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please copy down. Please copy down.
Okay, ma'am.
I will send it in Google Classroom. In case anybody is left out, he or she can complete. But please complete here only. Please complete here. I may not send the classwork. Please complete.
Done.
Now, second part can be done orally. Divyansh, read second part, beta.
which type of music is liked by the maximum number of people?
ग्राफ को देख के पता लगा कौन सी which type of music is liked by maximum?
Light music.
Light music.
So write down light music is liked by The maximum number of people liked music is liked by maximum number of people. Can I erase?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, they are saying other total. Somebody from your side, Hamza, are you there? Anshul? Anshul, you have the book in your hand?
Yes, ma'am.
Read out third part.
Yes, ma'am. If a cassette company were to make 1,000 CDs, how many of each type would they make?
टोटल अगर 1000 सीरीज बना रहे हैं तो हमको कितनी कितनी बनानी चाहिए अकॉर्डिंगली हाउ मेनी वी शुड मेक फॉर क्लासिकल, हाउ मेनी वी शुड मेक फॉर सेमी क्लासिकल, हाउ मेनी फॉर लाइट म्यूजिक एंड हाउ मेनी फॉर फोक म्यूजिक. हाउ डू वी कैलकुलेट दिस? somebody will tell me. अगर 1000 सीरीज हैं हमको 4 टाइप की सीरीज ड्रॉ कर बनानी है. 10%, 30%, 20% and 40%. Is that
And for
so?
example, we will do 10% of 1,000.
Very good. We will calculate for classical, we will calculate for folk, we will calculate for semi-classical and we will calculate for light. Total 1000 सीरीज पर बनानी थी हमको. उसमें से 10% होनी चाहिए classical, 20 होनी चाहिए semi-classical, 30 should be folk and 40 should be light. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, classical, let's calculate. You all will be able to calculate yourself very easily. 10% of 1000, then semi-classical, semi-classical, 20% of 1000, and then folk, 30% of 1000, and then light, 40% of 1000.
Ma'am, may I tell all the answers?
Wait. हाँ Tanish, बोलो first.
Ma'am, classical CDs would be 100.
Very good. What about semi-classical?
Ma'am, 200.
200. Folk,
300.
Ma'am, 300.
light,
400.
400.
Hamza, what's going on? He is not able to come. Do it, children.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Very good.
I'm done.
Now, Hamza, what happened, beta? You're not able to connect properly. Again and again, you're getting disconnected.
मैम आउट ऑफ सर्विस हो गया था बहुत देर से नेट.
Okay. I'll do one more part once we are done with this.
आप क्वेश्चंस करवा रहे हो?
Question number 1 करवाया बेटा, 4 करवाएंगे अब. I've done third. Question number 1. Now we will do question number 4. Reading of pie charts. We are doing reading of pie charts. Hamza, you can complete it using Google Classroom, or we can help of your, or with the help of your friends. Okay, let the whole class doesn't suffer. Let me just go for. Can I erase? Other children, can I erase?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay.
ma'am.
Just now look at Look at question number 4. And somebody will do me a favor by reading the question.
Ma'am, may I read, Tanish?
Ma'am, can I answer?
Anshul read karo.
Ma'am, question number 4.
Yes.
The adjoining pie chart gives the marks scored in an examination by a student in Hindi, English, mathematics, social science, and science. If the total marks obtained by the students were 540, then answer the following questions. First part, in which subject did the student score 105 marks?
Pass. See here. You can see degrees. Can you see the degrees?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Please don't get confused with degree or angle, degree or percentage. This does not mean 90 marks for mathematics. This does not mean 90 marks for mathematics, 80 marks for science. जितने भी टोटल का टेस्ट था उसको डिग्री में कन्वर्ट किया, then they have plotted this graph. इसका मतलब टोटल मार्क्स
डिग्री में कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं।
है बेटा, डिग्री में कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं। यस, अभी डिग्री में कन्वर्ट करना आपको सिखाएंगे हम, जब हम कंस्ट्रक्ट करेंगे, ड्रॉ करेंगे पाई चार्ट्स। तो आई टीच यू हाउ। हाँ, डी से बाद में डिग्री
हम अगर पाई चार्ट में कंपास से एंगल्स बनाएंगे तो बहुत ज्यादा खिचड़ी बन जाएगी।
कंपास से नहीं बनता बेटा, उसमें तो प्रोटेक्टर से बनता है।
हाँ मैम, नीटनेस है।
नाउ दे आर सेइंग इन ईच
करवाना सिखा रहे हैं और कंस्ट्रक्ट करवाना।
आपको सिर्फ रीड करना सिखा रही हूँ आज, ठीक है? हमजा, इज दैट क्लियर बेटा? हमजा प्लीज रिप्लाई। आई थिंक यू गॉट डिस्कनेक्टेड अगेन। हमजा, समझ आई बात? वी आर जस्ट रीडिंग। नाउ दे आर सेइंग इन व्हिच सब्जेक्ट डिड द स्टूडेंट स्कोर 105 मार्क्स। हमको मार्क्स नहीं मालूम, हमको सब्जेक्ट नहीं मालूम, मार्क्स मालूम है कि उसके बच्चे के 105 मार्क्स आए हैं, बट सब्जेक्ट निकालना है कि किस सब्जेक्ट में 105 मार्क्स आए हैं। हैव यू अंडरस्टूड द क्वेश्चन?
यस मैम।
हम क्या करते हैं, इफ एंगल इज, हमको मार्क्स, वी हैव टू फाइंड सब्जेक्ट, सो वी हैव टू फाइंड डिग्री। जो चीज निकालनी होती है उसको राइट साइड रखते हैं, बट वी हैव टू फाइंड इफ 540 marks are for 360 degree. 540 marks 360 डिग्री के लिए रिप्रेजेंट करता है, तो 1 मार्क इसके लिए रिप्रेजेंट करेगा। 1 मार्क is for 360 upon 540 degree. You have to divide 360 by 540. Now you have to find for 105 marks. 5 marks are for 360 divided by 540 into 105. Calculate. You'll get some degree. You'll calculate some degree. Calculate. Please calculate. I got 70 degree.
मैम मेरा भी 70 डिग्री आ रहा है।
So 70 degree stands for what subject?
Same.
70 degree stands for what?
हिंदी।
So we can say therefore the students scored 105 marks in Hindi. Students scored 105 marks in Hindi. Students scored 105 marks in Hindi. अभी हम क्या करेंगे? What we will do is we will calculate all the marks first. We will calculate all the marks of different subjects. so that if any other question comes in the paper from the same graph, you should be able to answer. अगर आपको सारे marks पता लग जाएं, so we can ask you any type of question. We can ask you any type of question if you understand or if you are able to calculate all the marks. Let me calculate all the marks. Once you have done this, I will calculate all the marks.
Done, ma'am.
What I want is, I want marks of all the subjects now. See, if angle was 360 degree, if the angle was 360 degrees, then marks were how many marks?
540.
540. अगर 360 डिग्री एंगल होता है तो मार्क्स आते हैं 540. If degree is for 1 degree, then if they, how many marks for 1 degree? How many marks for 1 degree?
40 upon 360.
540 upon 360. 540
Ma'am.
upon 360.
1 mark. 540 upon 360.
अगर 360 डिग्री है तो 540 मार्क्स है. 1 डिग्री होती है तो डिवाइड करते हैं. यूनिटरी मेथड है बच्चे. यूनिटरी मेथड. If degree is 360, marks are 540. Degree is 1, we divide 540 by 360. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will calculate for 55 degree. If now for 55 degree, marks will be, keep on multiplying it by the number. 1 degree का निकाल लिया आपने, so you can calculate for other subjects. This is for English. Now for 90 degree, marks will be 540 upon 360 into 90. This is for maths. Maths. For 65 degree, marks would be 540 upon 360 into 65. Do calculations, please. Similarly, I will calculate. I am calculating here for science. For science, 540 upon 360 into 80. Calculate one by one. Take your time. Take your time. And Hindi we have already calculated.
मैम फर्स्ट का आ गया इंग्लिश का
बोलो.
82.5.
85.
Yes, ma'am.
निकालो बच्चे. Calculate for others. Ninety for 90.
मैम 135 आना चाहिए. मैम अगर हम उसमें ये निकालें कि 540 अपॉन 360 कितना है मैम, बस उनको उन सबसे तो मल्टीप्लाई करना है 55 से.
वही तो किया है बच्चे, वही तो किया है. 1 डिग्री का निकाल के we calculated first for 1 degree, then we calculated for 90 degree, 65 degree, 80 degree, 70 degree का हम ऑलरेडी निकाल चुके हैं. Let's find out. Let me tell somebody tell me for 90 degree.
Can I tell?
हाँ बोलो.
मैम 135.
135. Very good. का निकालेंगे ऐसे. Calculate for 65.
मैम
Calculate for 65.
मैम आ गया
बोलो.
मैम 97.5
97.5. 80 का निकालो. Science. 4.
साइंस में क्या लिखा हुआ है
साइंस का यहाँ लिखा है बेटा 540 upon 360 into 80. 540 upon 360 into 80.
Ma'am,
Hurry up, children. Please find out faster.
मैम आ गया
Akriti, you're not finding.
साइंस का है मैम 120
120.
हाँ सही है 120 है मैम यस सही है
So this way we could calculate for all the subjects now. This was the most important part of this question. Once the children are able to find out the values of all degrees, the reading of graph, reading of pie chart is done. Means whatever total value is given, we divide by 360, multiply by the angle. Total value divided by 360, multiply by angle. Total value divided by 360, multiply by the angle. Degree. Then we will get accordingly the marks. Am I clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
यस मैम
question number 4, second part is how many more marks were obtained by the student in mathematics than in Hindi? Mathematics is 135. Hindi is 105.
मैम 30
135 minus 105. 30. So you can say, write down, the student obtained 30 more marks in mathematics than in Hindi. The student obtained 30 more marks in mathematics than Hindi. Okay, who will answer the last part? Once we have calculated, we all can find out all the answers. Hamza, read the last part. Tanzil, read the last part. Tanzil.
ma'am, yes.
Find out. Read the last part.
Ma'am, yes, I'm reading. Examine whether the sum of the marks obtained in social science and mathematics is more than in science and Hindi.
Add social science and maths. Social science is 197.5 and maths is 135. Add them up. Add them up. I'm erasing this part. I'm erasing this part. Add them up. Maths plus social
मैम आ गया
science. Maths plus social science. 135 plus 97.5.
मैम 232.5
232.5.
यस मैम
And science and Hindi. Science plus Hindi. Science is 120 plus 105.
मैम 225 225 sorry
Now, they are saying examine whether the sum of marks obtained in social and mathematics is more than this. Yes. The answer is yes. This is more.
can we identify it with angles
5.
degrees
I'm by 7.5.
No, not by degree. Not by degree. You won't be able to check. This question you can, this part you can still do with degree. He's saying by adding the degrees also you can check lesser and smaller. But when values are to be compared, we must know the values. We must know to find the marks. If values are to be compared. Here only They just wanted the sum of two that you can still do with this maths and social science. You add up, and he's saying, and add up these two, you will come to know which has got more. Yes. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, is there anybody who has any query in any of these two parts?
No, ma'am.
We have done it beautifully, and we all were able to understand properly.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And I'm also really very happy the way you all responded today. Because this is little difficult part. You're doing it first time. Now, tomorrow is your exam.
SST exam.
Yes, tomorrow is